Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Derek Francis.
And I'm Andy Satowski. First here tonight, 6 people, I should say, have tested positive for COVID-19 after staying at a Christian camp in Barry County. The site is now shut down for the next 2 weeks.
Fox 17's Ryan Cummings was there to explain who's affected and what's next for those who may have been exposed.
Camp Mishawana near Hastings includes a children's camp, a family camp, and your traditional style camp. We are told that there have been 5 staff members who have tested positive for COVID, along with 1 camper. And there's another camper who has a probable case.
And we had several weeks of successful and safe summer camp.
Rochelle Visser is a counselor at Camp Mishawana in Hope Township in Barry County.
Real newsworthy and noteworthy thing is the hundreds of kids that came to camp that were safe, that had an amazing experience, that grew in their walk, both personally and their walk spiritually with the Lord. So after several successful weeks, just a couple days ago, we started to have some staff that had some mild symptoms.
She says they ended camp a day early and sent people home. Like all other places in Michigan, everyone here still has to follow the executive orders, like wearing a mask in public, no more than 10 people in one outdoor space, and 100 together while outside. The camp's executive director posted about the new cases of COVID on Facebook, saying in part, "We worked diligently to sanitize, disinfect, and create distance as much as possible, and are deeply saddened at the outcome of positive test results." The post ended with, "Again, we are sorry for the situation and pray everyone stays healthy." The Barry Eaton District Health Department found out about the cases on Thursday. It's still trying to pinpoint when this all happened, but it appears to be sometime in the last couple of weeks. And out of all the camps combined, it estimates 250 people may have been exposed.
So if you visited the camp or your child visited the camp on or after July 24th, there's a chance that you may have been exposed. Because of the number of people at the camp, it's very hard for us to tell who exactly interacted with the COVID positive individuals.
That's why people are now encouraged to quarantine for 14 days. The health department is also working with staff to see who may have come in contact with those who've tested positive.
Some of the symptoms to pay attention to are cough, fever of 101.4 degrees or over, fatigue, muscle aches, even some congestion.
Rochelle says everyone who tested for COVID is at home away from others.
We're very pleased and happy about the good that's happened. And we really saw this summer that kids and teens needed to get away. They needed to come to camp. It was very essential for their overall well-being. And the amount of good is so much bigger than the bad.
I am told by the health department that the 14-day shutdown was voluntary here by the camp. I did reach out to the executive director, but I have yet to hear back. Reporting in Barry County, Ryan Cummings, Fox 17 News.